Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can recover MetaMask account. So the first thing that you will have to do if you lost access to your MetaMask is you will install your MetaMask whether on your phone or laptop or whatever device that you are using. And once you've logged in successfully to your account, what you will have to do is you will search for your there should be a three lines right here, but it really depends on the layout of your version of MetaMask. But if you do see it, you will just have to click it and you should see something like security and privacy. And then you will just have to click it and then you will select restore wallet or something like that. And then you should see your 12 or 24 word recovery phrase there. And then you will just have to create your new strong password and then you will confirm and your account will now be restored with all the previous balances. And by the way, you should never ever share your recovery praise. Anyone with it can access your funds. So yeah, keep that in mind. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.